What's up, y'all? How are you guys doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video, and I got 5 tips to people that are looking or are already doing electronic reselling or reselling of any type, guys. And I really want you guys to know I've done extensive research. I've also been a reseller for around 12 years. I've made a whole bunch of money. Okay, I don't have to sit there and even speak on figures. I don't feel that it's needed, because no matter what, guys, it's all about understanding that no matter where you are in life, you can make money. Money doesn't define you. What defines you is what you do with the money. We make money work for us. We don't work for money. The money is going to come. That's never the problem. The problem is making sure that the money lasts, making sure that the money is something that is going to be with us for the longevity of our lives, creating a freaking giant. We just want to create generational wealth. Generational wealth is one of the most important things I think that I have my eye on. I think you should as well, because when you're dead and gone, you want your business and all the work that you've done and all the sacrifices you've made to actually continue to go, to just continue to work. Because if that happens, you live forever, and everything that you've done is going to last, okay? And we want it to last. So let's jump into the 5 things that all resellers should know, because you guys need to know this so you guys can maximize your profit. Let's get into it. All right, so number 1, you have to realize that you need a problem. Now, what do I mean by you need a problem? Needing a problem is, I think, evident, and I think we're all smart enough, especially if we're resellers, to know that problems are everywhere. Okay, and the most people that make the most money in the world solve the biggest problems. I mean, problems are things we don't like as human beings, right? We want everything to be smooth. But unfortunately, that's not the way it works, and things are always going to be in chaos in some sort of way. And the people that make the solutions are the ones that capitalize off of them. Now, if you're looking to be a reseller, one of the biggest things you can do is find a problem and solve it. It doesn't have to be with electronics. It doesn't have to be with clothing. It can be whatever around you is a problem. So one thing I would say, and a task I would give you, is look around you. Look around you today, okay? Prime example, if you're watching this at night, what has happened today to where you've seen problems that you actually could have some type of solution to fix? Or if you're watching this in the morning, I want you to observe that throughout the day. Every single day, me personally, I observe problems and I see, hey, could I, do I, or will I ever have a distributor or a wholesaler that can help me gain products to actually fixing this problem? And if the answer is no, I leave it alone. If the answer is yes, then guess what? I'm going to be working my butt off to make sure that I can capitalize off of it. Capitalization is something that resellers have to be holding themselves to standard, making sure that we're doing that daily, looking at problems, making sure that we're solving them. Don't walk around as somebody complaining. Walk around as the solution. Walk around as somebody that is going to continue to always try and find a way out, a way to, a way to, a way to, a way to, okay? No, oh my God, I'm just so upset because the balloon popped, and you know, I didn't know that balloons pop, and I didn't know, like, okay, get a balloon that don't pop. Make something. Figure it out. Look, get on the internet and find a balloon that don't pop, and then provide it to the people complaining. Or, oh, you know, I don't know, like, I don't want to buy an adapter at AT&T because AT&T, like, what? $40? Oh my God. And it's like, all right, so this is what you need to do. You need to go in your computer, find some adapters that are cheaper. Hint, hint, we got the product box, and the product box got some adapters that are affordable for you. Let me get these adapters. I got some adapters for you right here. You can get this at hustlersbuy.com. You already know I'm a hustler. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, finding solutions, okay? Finding solutions, but before you find those solutions, you have to analyze and look at the problems around you and make those problems stick out so that you can be able to assess if you can actually be the solution, all right? Now, number 2 is platform matters. Platform matters. You have to make sure that you are on the right platform. Now, Brandon, what do you mean by platform? I mean, literally, you can do eBay, Amazon, MERCARI, Walmart, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace. You have so many different ways you can sell, right? But not all of those platforms are going to work for you. Let's get that completely transparent and clear. Some of these platforms are not going to work for you. People on the platforms may not see you. So it's all about understanding not to give up when you see no movement on one platform. No, make sure that you continue to see and canvas different platforms so that you can be able to analyze which one works for you. Why would you settle for a platform that doesn't work for you and not even expand your horizons to see, okay, could this platform work for me? Why? Always expand and see. Always look. Okay, it's very important to look and to be attentive to different platforms and different ways, different storefronts, different places where you can actually put your services, preferably for free. I ain't gonna lie. Now I like places I can put my products for free. All right, that's a win-win. All right, I'll split something with you when we sell it, but I ain't really trying to pay to put nothing up now. That's kind of a scam to me now. Wink, wink, Amazon. But no matter what, you guys have to understand platform is key. We have to make sure that platforms are going to work in our favor. Now, the next one is going to be product quality. And I want y'all to listen to this, okay? All of my educated hustlers, whether you're in the Discord, which if you're not in the Discord, you need to go ahead and click that link below. Get into this Discord, man. I'm shutting it down at 100 followers right now. Pausing the video, okay? I know I was about to get into something and I was about to go ahead and start, but let me, let me do my thing. You know I gotta do my thing, okay? You know I'm doing these videos, I gotta do my thing, all right? Make sure that you join the Discord. Right now we're at 89 members, okay? I'm shutting it down at 100. All right, join the Discord today, right now, so that you are not being charged to get into the Discord. Guys, we're giving out a lot of sauce, okay? And I gotta pay people for the people that I'm putting on here. I got phone flippers, buyers, resellers, people that are gonna come on speaking to us. I got a lot, all right? So join the Discord. We are gonna keep moving and grooving and keep this thing going. But thirdly, let me get back into it. Product quality is way more important than product cost. Now you may be like, Brandon, it don't make no damn sense. Why do you think product cost isn't that important? No, product cost is tremendously important, but I'm not about to go ahead and cut corners, my price point, and say, all right, man, yeah, I got some AIRPOD replicas which you can get at Hustlers Buy. We have product boxes of these available on hustlersbuy.com. But okay, yeah, I got some AIRPOD reps, and I was about to say iPods, some AIRPOD reps, and I can get these things for $7, cut the corner, and still charge people X amount, right? That sounds good. But what happens when they sell these to customers and then customers complain and then they want to return it? Then guess what? Now they're going to want to return it to me. It's like, it's a revolving cycle when you start to cheat yourself. Because even though a price point can be very low, understand a price point is low because they use lower materials. It's not, you get what you pay for. It's not that people are trying to upcharge you every single time. Get that out of your mind. All right. Now, some people will. Sometimes you got to negotiate. Sometimes you got to negotiate. You got to make sure that you're getting the bang for your buck. Don't get me wrong. But it's a difference when you start going way too low and it don't even make sense. And you're like, $7 for some AIRPOD replicas? Okay, you know what I mean? That sounds good. And it's like, yeah, it sounds good, but I guarantee you're not going to be able to make the money because they got cheap quality. It ain't going to work. It ain't going to make sense. Make sure you realize that product quality trumps product price. That's all I'm saying, guys. That's all I'm saying. If you want to make the money, I'm telling you right now, make sure that you love the quality of this product. Make sure you look at the quality. Make sure the quality makes sense. I'm telling you. Listen, all I can do is tell you. You know what I mean? I got your back like a bra strap. You already know. All right. And then the next one is going to be one that I think is very interesting, because when I first started out reselling, I didn't realize this, but I'll tell y'all this: your income is like the income that you make from these products is not yours. It's not yours. It's not yours. You gotta look at this reselling business like it's your baby, right? And sometimes the baby's going to cost you money. Okay, it's gonna cost you money. You want to pay for the dang money. I mean the dang baby. Okay, you got to pay for the baby. All right, excuse me, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, a little tired. But you're going to have to pay for the baby. All right, you're going to have to pay for diapers, clothes, formula, all that, right? Now, when do you see that profit back? When? I got 2 kids. Listen, you don't see the profit back, right? But one thing you do see is you see the evolution. You see it going up. You see them moving. You see them you just start to see the functions. You start to see, hey daddy. You start to see love. You start to see care. You start to see them play basketball. You start to see them go to school. You start to see them play extra. You just start to see them do things. Okay, they are literally becoming active, and you're like, wow, I just was buying you diapers. Now I'm buying you Jordans, and it's like, it makes sense, right? And it's a fulfilling feeling. Now, when it comes to reselling, it's not that in depth, but one thing I gotta say is you're buying products, and the money that you get from these products, you put back in products. You don't take that out for income. If you want to be successful, don't take the money out. Keep the money in. The way you can tell when it's time to take the money out and start making it to profit is when you can buy 3 or 4 items to replenish your stock, and then you got a little chump change. All right, and then you just start going, and then you start to realize, okay, my money's multiplying, and I'm starting to see more results, more demand. Now I can go ahead and spend a little money. But until then, that income is not yours, okay? That income is not yours. And last but not least, we're going to talk about system. Now, system is way important in your goal. And what I mean by that is you can have a goal. You know, I want to get to X amount of debt. Like, I want to get to $1 million, right? All right, cool. That's your goal. But if you're too stuck on realizing or thinking, hey, I want to get to $1 million, the first week when you only had $10, you won't be discouraged. Understand that you have to put a system in place, and that system you have in place, keep doing it. Keep doing it. And when you keep doing it, you're going to start to learn, okay. All right. I want to make $1 million, but this is the steps I'm going to take. I'm going to take these steps every day and just focus on the steps. Okay. I want to list every day 10 times. Okay. I want to do X amount. Like, keep those systems in place, and everything else will take care of itself. The score will always take care of itself. You don't have to worry, because no matter what, you guys have it in you. If you're watching this video, you got it in you. So no matter what, you just have to focus on that system. Don't focus on the destination. Don't focus on the goal. Focus on the behaviors you're putting in place. They're going to take care of themselves, I promise you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. You already know I love you and I appreciate you. Peace.